jumping high around the tree. Little pigs in pink and brown play all over the muddy town. Ducks are quacking in the sparkling pond, flapping wings of them were fond. They dive and splash, make circles wide, slide through the water with gentle pride. Feathers, shiny little webbed feet, wiggling tails in a rhythm sweet. Cows are grazing in the bright green field, their big round bellies slowly yield, mooing softly to friends around, listening to the morning sound. The sun warms their black and white spots, chirping animals connecting the dots. Sheep are jumping over fences high, fluffy clouds in the morning sky, bleating happily as they hop, bouncing on the meadow top. White woolly friends with gentle eyes, under the farm's big blue skies. Tractors rumble down the sunny lane, farmers waving, calling each name, singing songs the animals cheer. Morning on the farm is bright and clear, hay bales stacked, crops in rows, everyone working where the wind blows. Goats are climbing on logs so tall, balancing carefully they never fall. Little bunnies hop in the foggy grass, chasing each other as they pass. Frogs are croaking by the stream, joining the morning's lively dream. Mr. Rooster flaps his wings with pride, calling all animals to come outside. Every creature, big and small, dancing together at the farmyard ball. From hens to pigs, from cows to sheep, joyful laughter runs so deep. Time to eat, it's breakfast on the farm. Corn, hay, and treats with all their charm. Sunlight glows on barn and ground, happy voices echo all around. Farm life buzzing, full of fun. Good morning, everyone, the day's begun.